it Jackie Chan.
What's going on, guys? STANGSAUCE here. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this one, we're heading over to get the oil changed of the Ecoboost, and we're also going to see what Ford has to say about this corrosion that's on the car. This is kind of on both sides. It was literally probably nowhere near as bad as this when I bought the car. I knew it was on there. It was literally just like, you know, a couple spots here, but this big one, this is just ridiculous. So we're gonna go see what Ford has to say. Pretty much, I know that there's a 5-year unlimited mile warranty for that type of corrosion stuff. So I'm assuming they're gonna fix it, but I'm pulling up on 5 years. This is a 2015. So 2020 is right around the corner. We're about a month away. Hopefully they fix it and don't just, you know, kind of give me the runaround until my warranty's up. We are heading down today to Columbus, Ohio, and we're gonna go get some rims for the drag wheels that I bought, or the drag tires that I bought. I'm really excited because that means I can finally mount these tires and get everything all together, and hopefully it works out and hopefully it looks good. So basically the rims are just kind of like your old-fashioned Cobra, you know, 5-spoke like bullet look type rims. They look really nice though, and I think they'll look really good in the back. But for now, let's get a cold start and head over to the dealership. All right, so we just got the oil changed on the car. We went over and stopped at my dad's house. As you guys can see, we got the tires back there. I also needed to get some new brakes for the car, and I need to get some more all-season tires because my tires are super bald and it's like butter back there. So as you guys can see, we got the tires back here because we're heading down to Columbus tonight to get those rims. I'm really excited. I've been wanting this setup for a long time. It kind of sucks because we're approaching wintertime here in Ohio, and racing season is pretty much over until, you know, March, April, or April, May, somewhere around there. So if I can get back at a decent time tonight, we'll get the tires and rims put up on the car. If not, then you guys will see in another video the actual install. If we can get a good day, I will do a couple pulls and see how the tires actually feel. All right, so we got these here, you know, these beautiful, nice rims and tires. Oh, what do we have here? So this is the new setup, everybody. This is what we got for radials on the back for the racing season. We got some Mickey Thompsons. These are old Mickey Thompsons. I kind of already talked about this in one of my previous videos. So if you guys haven't seen that, go check that out. But these are the new rims. Your Cobra looking type rims. Got these used, really good deal on them. So I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? Drop a like if you like how it looks. But we're gonna go test these out. It's nighttime, so I will probably just wait till tomorrow morning to show you guys outside and give a full review, because it's kind of pointless recording in the car at nighttime when you can't see anything. So I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so this is actually the first time I'm out here with these freaking tires on, and I got a Kia Stinger that's trying to give me the work. Actually, he gave me the work on the first run. I kind of granny shifted and shifted way too early, so we're gonna see what I'm gonna go in the automatic mode, just the normal, not sport, and see what that does for me. So hopefully that's pretty good. I don't know, we'll have to see what happens here. I'm just doing some trial and error stuff. So all right, so we got my buddy Mike here and his GT. We got a Kia Stinger right here. Let's get it popping. Nighttime racing. A little bit more. Good. Good. Let me tell you what, it is cold as hell out here right now, dude. So I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can even see me. So Right now, it is 26 degrees outside. It's 26 degrees outside right now. I'm absolutely freezing. The tires are hooking great. There's a little bit of slip, but as soon as they get warmed up, oh man, they are hooking phenomenal. I'm itching to get back up to the drag strip in the summertime when it's nice and warm and the conditions are a hell of a lot better for racing, because this just shows me the true potential that I have with this vehicle right now. I just did the data log, or the track apps Mustang timer. I ran a 13.1 and it still slipped a little bit. I'm okay with that for now. 13.1, it's 28 degrees outside, the car's running great. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Here these boys come back again. Oh. Oh, it's cold, dude. Oh, there's some real shit now. Alright, so I'm not even about to lie. The video you guys just watched was from like 2 weeks ago. You can see I damn near grew a full freaking beard since then. Got my hair cut and everything since then. So basically, what had happened is we had put the tires on the car and we were just going for a quick drive. We were going to the normal Mexico location that we always go to just to see how the tires were doing. And upon going out there, Mr. Kia Stinger and company, the guy that he was with, I actually don't even know if they knew each other, but he was out there. They wanted to get some runs in. So, of course, us being Mustang guys, we got some runs in, and I was pleasantly surprised with how my car did up against the Kia Stinger. My car's very quick off the line once it hooks. I need to get some camber bolts to adjust the camber because the outside of my tire is not even touching on both sides. So once I get that fixed, I should get a lot more traction. I should get no slip, period. So yeah, basically, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for those notifications so you can stay up to date with all the content. If you really enjoyed, hit the thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And as always, peace out.